Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video. And here we have the beauty. And I actually ordered 3 MREs. So let's open this box. But before we do that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, let's open this baby. Here we have the utility knife. Let's open it. This one's nice and smooth. I like that. Okay. First we have, I believe this is the fish MRE. It says Tuna Creations Hickory Smoked. So I believe this is the fish because I ordered one fish. And this is an XMRE blue line. It's the new generation of ready-to-eat meals. And this one is made in USA. But I ordered this one from a Swedish company that has been around since 1980s, which is really cool actually. Okay, let's see what the next is. Chili with beans. Yeah, it contains beef. This is for my wife. I want to have an MRE for my wife too. So this is the second one. We put that away for a moment. And the third one is Italian sausage with peppers and onions. Also an XMRE. This is for my wife as well. I have vegetarian MREs in the basement, but I was thinking of my wife. She needs some meat sometimes, so I bought this to be nice with my wife and be nice to her. So the price for one of these are 179 crowns. So that is not bad for one package. So it's not bad price at all. So I paid a little bit over 500 crowns for 3 of these. So it's a good price, and these are sold by a company, a Swedish company that has been around since 1980s. And actually when I was younger, I bought some stuff from them. But at the time, they were mail order company. So now they have an online store. And if I translate the company's name to English, it would be the closet or the wardrobe. It depends on if you're from US or UK. On Swedish, Garderoben. But I'm not sponsored by them. I have bought these by my own money, and I'm not sponsored by this company either, who make these MREs. But these 3 will go into my preps straight away. So that's really nice to have them. And I need to have a couple of these more. And they delivered these pretty quick too. So I'm happy with that. So I take these guys down to the basement and store them there. So until we need them. And that's all, guys, for today's video. And I'm sorry I didn't upload anything yesterday as I normally do, because I had my voluntary resource group were called in and to deal with emergency water tanks. We had to assemble them and on different places in the city, because for one reason we had a huge water leak from the main water line, so we had to help them with set these water containers up, and we did it. And that's why I didn't upload any videos yesterday. But thank you guys for your patience, and you will have this video up today. Today is Thursday, but it will do anyway. So thank you guys for your support and for watching. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. That will help my channel a lot and push my videos more, so to reach more people. So take care, guys. Stay safe. I appreciate every one of you. And God bless. And keep prepping. ShadowScoutSwede out.